How to add subdomain in Godaddy. Need a subdomain like blog.yoursite.com or shop.yoursite.com? Let's add it on Godaddy. Log into your Godaddy account and head to your My Products page. Under Domains, click DNS next to the domain where you want to add the subdomain. Make sure you have the main domain before adding the subdomain. In the DNS management page, scroll to the record section and click Add. Choose CNAME or a record depending on your use case. For most subdomains, CNAME is ideal. In the name field, type the subdomain prefix like blog, and in value, type the destination URL or IP address. Set the TTL to your preference, then click Save. Subdomains are great for separating parts of your site without buying a new domain. You can host a store, blog, or support section this way. What's the first subdomain you are planning to create? Share below and get ideas from others too. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.